We organize live presentations and discussions over internet related to success stories and challenges in smart and sustainable cities and projects. The objectives of these online seminars are to train and update attendees on current trends related to the urban digital revolution and how to create value in cities. These webinars are structured on a presentation and real-time conversation from anywhere in the world. It is not a one-way presentation on a topic related to smart and sustainable cities, challenges and success stories. We have found that engaging in online discussions and sharing audio, documents and slides improve the satisfaction of the attendees. I am Professor Philippe Bouvier, founder of the Institute of Urban Value Creation. See you soon.